Today on How It's Made. Qubits. They're the building blocks of quantum computers whose function is to steal the lives of graduate students. We begin with a wafer of silicon-germanium heterostructure, diced into pieces. A chip is removed from the wafer. A chip is removed from the wafer. A chip removed from the wafer. There we go. Chips are carefully placed in a box and transported to an electron beam lithography system for patterning. This process allows for patterns as small as 40 nanometers, but can take several hours and probably won't work anyway. Hours later, the samples return and are ready for additional processing. Next up, an acid etch. Dangerous hydrofluoric acid is used, and proper protection equipment is required. This includes gloves, a lab coat, a chemical apron, chemical gloves, and a face shield. Safety is important, as mere drops of this could kill you. Next, drink away the failure or possible upcoming death. Think of how you could have just been an engineer and avoided all of these problems. Once sanity is restored, or the grad student replaced, it's time to deposit metal to create contacts, gates, and leads. After deposition, controlling for caffeine shakes or the DTs, the chips are removed and placed in a beaker of acetone to remove the excess metal. This beaker is then transferred to the... Are you f***ing kidding me? Seriously? Next week on How It's Made. Giving up